out here. It's my little section right here. Block Boy got his cars out here. Y'all not here, you missing out, you missing out. Got the lowriders out front, the real ones. Like I said, it's the Cadillac Fest. Everybody out here today.
Musical evolution has ended. We control the sound. It's time we all got down. We bring you electrophonic.
Wanted to show y'all what was going on, you know what I'm saying? We're out here having fun. rcsyourprice. Gotta love it.
Yeah, hit it, Jacob, hit it. Hit it, Jacob. Catch it, Jacob, come on. All right, Jacob. What happened, Jacob? Nothing? Oh. Uh-oh. I'll get one more chance. Come on, Felix. Get it, get it. All right, Felix, you're good. 7.5, 7.5, Felix. Keep your card up here. Hold on, hold on. All right, Jacob. Yeah, better battery for that one. All right, Brandon, you gotta scoot up. You gotta see your front tires, bro. All right, go ahead, Brandon. Start. Brandon with Mary Jane, Delegation Car Club. All right, Brandon. All right. Price?
We didn't use any weights. We didn't use any weights.
Yeah, usually we have a street and a kids category. Today we had to do things a little different, but we're gonna do what it do. All right, you ready? Go ahead, bro. Uh-oh. Oh, man. You get stuck one more, I can't count it, man. Come on. All right. I think that's it. Oh. All right, what do you get? What do you get, Joel?
Yeah.
Hey.
Fuck them up.
Anybody else for the hop? Anybody else? I've seen this car flip over before. Alright, that's good. Anybody else for the dance?
Get him, Brandon.
Uh-oh. tonight. He's here. Yeah. Got to see him dancing competition. Oh man, that's him bouncing. All right, now I'm gonna need the crowd to help me get a winner for this dance competition. Yeah, right here. All right, we need to hear the loudest crowd. That's who's gonna win this dance competition. First, we got Brennan from Menifee.
Yeah!
All right. Next, we got oh, that's right, LaBoy from Black Boys. Let's go, let me hear it, LaBoy from Black Boys. Oh, man, that's pretty close. Hey, hold on, we got one more. Next, we got Susanna.
Yeah!
All right, I think we got a tie over here. So we're gonna go ahead and do a head-to-head dance competition. All right, on your mark, get set, let's go. I think we've seen enough. I need the crowd to help. Let's get this winner. Okay. We got Menifee in the house. Who thinks of Menifee? Got LaBoy from Black Boys. What do you think, DJ? Oh man. Let me hear it. Menifee.
Yeah!
Let's see LaBoy from Black Boys.
Yeah!
I think Menifee, DJ says Menifee took it. We're gonna go ahead. Neutral judge. Oh man. You just beat the champ, bro. You beat the reigning champ. Good, congratulations. You got first and second.
When they're gone, it won't be long. 8 more months and once again it's on. But when the sun goes down, I'll be ready to party. And why is that? Come on, ain't nothing like them. Yeah, keep it top on drop. When the girls are getting high in the bullet, but we just don't stop. Turning into the morning light. Ain't nothing like them. Hola, Los Angeles, what's up, dog? Thank you for coming out. This Cadillac Mike. My special guest, man, Spanish Smack in the harbor area, dog. All respect, I wouldn't be up here if it wasn't for you guys making music before me, dog. It's insane. Los Angeles, make some noise, dog. San Diego in the house. Thank you guys, man. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna go over here and we're setting autographs for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes.
Tryna taste mine, I ain't get here overnight, nigga. This shit take time. Real, you ain't put her on no site, you ain't set the bitch. Bet she gon' finesse the time. If you rent the bitch, make your brother tear it off. Get up on the floor, it's a fire drill. Make the nigga stop, drop and roll. Baby, I can fuck you free, I see the homies. I follow you, your phones, you ain't doing what they bossy. You ain't really down and around, you ain't live this life. Niggas say they beef it down, go to sleep, home pipes. Miss my niggas dead and gone, I can't get them back. Every time a nigga see us up, I'ma blow the strap. Niggas moving stupid if you sliding, why you posting that? Awesome, bro, break it down, snip it up, it's your back.
We won ahead.
Another chrome, I think it's a chrome chain steering wheel. All right, go ahead, Joel. Pick the winner. Let me pick this one for you. 027. 027. What the hell?
What the? Oh, hell. What the?
I didn't check it good enough, man. I didn't check it
You
good
see
enough.
that chick?
Man, that's my son's ticket, man.
All right, we'll do
Hey.
another one. Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up, bro. Hey, give me your ticket, man. All right, here we go, man. Hey, just so you guys know, this guy right here, he lost his car to a sad fire. So,
This guy right here,
everybody, you know, just so you guys
Good
know,
shit,
this guy,
good
that's
shit,
his car
dog.
right there.
But he's still here.
Thank
But
you,
he's
Jesse,
still
you're a
here.
good dude. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
right, that's
Ain't
right.
quit the game. That don't stop him.
Anybody's burning
That
it
ain't
out
stopping
fly.
him. All right, drink it with a
Grease
pistol,
on
bro.
that damn thing.
Bro, change the steering wheel.
6'7".
068.
068 right here, homie.
Man, you should have said 666.
Just so you guys know, everyone who paid when their cars come in, they get a ticket. It don't matter if it's my club or not. I didn't pay, I ain't getting shit. Joel didn't get nothing. So if you guys see delegation, when, oh, you didn't get no tickets, huh? No, what you need? Everybody that I know who I didn't give it to. Anybody else that registered for the RC event that didn't get a ticket, let me know right now. Oh, he got a ticket. I see that shirt. That's my brother. Yeah, I know. All right, we're gonna do another.
Hey!
Some 59 lenses and some three-way chrome knockoffs. All right. 065. 065. 065.
065 coming in. Coming in hot.
Got some nice bikes out here. I sold mine back in the day for $2,300. It was turquoise and gold. That was a big mistake. So this way everybody at driving, huh? This is the Cadillac Fest show. Why you didn't call me, man? Be a cross face, Jace.
Thank you. Yeah, I got mine. You know I gotta go with red though.
I'm ready for another car, man. Get another car painted.